United Nations, you people should do the right thing. You people should do the right thing. United Nations, stop supporting evil. Do the right thing. Don't use because of what you people are getting from Nigeria, and you people will refuse to do the right thing. United Nations, you people should do the right thing. That is the only thing I can tell you people. I am a servant of God. I'm here to send a strong message to United Nations. I'm here to send strong message to United Nations. United Nations, I want to ask you people a question. United Nations gave order for the release of Nnamdi Kanu, and since then the United Nations gave order. No show. Nigeria government refused to release Nnamdi Kanu, and the United Nations pretend that they don't know what is happening. United Nations kept quiet. United Nations, I want to ask you people a question. United Nations and Nigeria government, which one is stronger than? United Nations, in this East, no peace. No peace in this East. Because of the Nnamdi Kanu, they kidnapped him from Kenya to Nigeria. And Nnamdi Kanu is a citizen of Britain, United Kingdom. And the United Kingdom kept quiet because of what they are getting in Nigeria. They don't want to do the right thing. Why do you white people hate Africa? Of course, Africa are doing themselves. United Nations, you gave order for the release of Nnamdi Kanu, but since then, Nigeria government refused that they will not release him, and you people keep quiet. The sin that Nnamdi Kanu has committed is because he said that he needs Biafra, he needs freedom. The sin that Nnamdi Kanu committed is because he said that he needs Biafra. He said that he needs Biafra. That is the only sin that this innocent man committed. And the United Nations, you people know the truth, and you people keep quiet. You keep quiet because of Nnamdi Kanu is a black man. Because of Nnamdi Kanu is a black man. And you people gave Nigeria order for them to release Nnamdi Kanu, and they refused that they will not release him. And since then, United Nations keep quiet because Nnamdi Kanu is a black man. United Nations, money and human life, which one is better? Is it because of what you people are getting in Nigeria? That is why you people keep quiet. Insecurity. A whole United Nation gave order. Tell the Nigeria government to release Nnamdi Kanu, and Nigeria government refused, and you people keep silent. That means something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong. Something is wrong somewhere. Is it because of what you people are getting from Nigeria? A whole United Nations gave order. For many years ago, you people gave order to release Nnamdi Kanu. Something is wrong. United Nations is like you people valued money more than human being. You people valued money more than human being. The Secretary General of United Nations, Antonio Guterres, I have sent message many times to you how they are slaughtering Christians in Nigeria, but you don't want to take any action because of the benefits you people are getting from Nigeria. United Nations have gave order for Nigeria government to release Nnamdi Kanu, but since you people gave order to release Nnamdi Kanu, Nigeria government refused that they will not release him. Nnamdi Kanu is a British citizen. He was kidnapped from Kenya, and they brought him to Nigeria, and pretend that they don't know what is happening. And the United Nations, you people know what is right, but you people keep quiet. United Nations, Antonio Guterres, the Secretary General of United Nations, you people have gave order to release Nnamdi Kanu, but Nigeria government refused. and you people kept silent. I want to know whether United Nations and Nigeria, which one were they strong pass? United Nations don't use because of what you are getting in Nigeria, and you are supporting evil. You people are supporting evil because of the benefit you people are getting from Nigeria. United Nations, you people should do the right thing. Don't use because of what you people are getting from Nigeria. You people should do the right thing. Let them release Nnamdi Kanu, because in this East, a lot of trouble everywhere under the name of release Nnamdi Kanu. You keep silent, and after you people gave order to release Nnamdi Kanu, Nigeria government refused. If Nnamdi Kanu is a white man, you people will go to rescue him, but because of he's a black man, he's from Africa. Because you United Nations don't value Africa. United Nations, I'm calling you people to do the right thing. Don't pretend that you don't know what is happening in Nigeria. United Nations, don't pretend that you don't know what is happening in Nigeria. You people should do the right thing. Will I talk about the slaughtering of Christians since 2009 till today? They are slaughtering Christians. They are doing mass burial. But you will not see it on television. You will not see it on news.
Yes, my brothers, my sisters, in Kabu, what I do today, I'm planning to go and meet the 5 state governors in Igbo land with a very big letter. They should do something concerning the release of Nnamdi Kanu, because I myself, I want peace in Igbo land. I need peace in Igbo land. There are a lot of trouble going on in Igbo land. There are a lot of people using the name of release of Nnamdi Kanu, committing evil in Igbo land. So it's getting out of hand. So I want all the governors for them to use their sincere heart to tell the federal government of Nigeria to release Nnamdi Kanu. Not this one they are doing. Some of them, maybe when they will come out public, they will say release Nnamdi Kanu. When they will go inside, they will say no, release Nnamdi Kanu. No. I'm trying my best to go and meet all the 5 state governors. I will give them letter. If I did not see them, I'm going to the government house. I will submit my letter to them. My brother, my sisters, if you can join me, please come and join me. If you can join me, come and join me. If you can support me, let us move on to do this. I'm still sending message to United Nations. So I need people to join me, please. If you want to join me, please, let's move on together. So there will be peace in Igbo land. Trouble is everywhere in Igbo land, and we need Nnamdi Kanu to come out. So that is what I'm working this thing. That is what I'm doing. I'm trying my best with my own capacity. I'm trying my best. So Nnamdi Igbo, oge lugo mba ga-etika aka ọnụ. Oge lugo mba ga-etika aka ọnụ. Ka udo wee dị n'ala Igbo.